Yeah, this question, a line y equal to root 3x minus 3 cuts the parabola at P and Q. So here it is. Y square equal to x plus 2 represents parabola. It is y equal to root 3x minus 3. So here it represents a straight line which intersects at P and Q. On x-axis y0. Y0 means, so it is passing through root 3 comma 0. Line cuts the parabola at point. If A be the point root 3 comma 0, so here slope of this line tan theta is root 3, theta is 60 degrees. Let us say this is at R1 distance, it is at R2 distance. Equation of a line in symmetric form. X here is root 3 plus r cos theta, cos 60 half. Y is 0 plus r sin 60 root 3 by 2. This point x comma y lies on y square is x plus 2. So this is root 3 r by 2 whole square. X is root 3 plus r by 2 plus 2. So you get here quadratic equation in R. So AP into AQ is nothing but product of the roots by 3 by 4. That is 4 by 3 into root 3 plus 2. Here he given non-zero vectors. A is perpendicular to B and A perpendicular to C. So magnitudes they given. D is a non-zero coplanar with A plus B, and once one vector is coplanar, we can write that as combination of these two. So D dot A means lambda times A dot A, B dot A plus 2B dot A minus C dot A. Here it is. A dot D dot A is lambda. A dot A is mod A square, A perpendicular to B. B dot A is 0. A is perpendicular to B and A perpendicular to C. This whole thing becomes 0. D dot A he given it as 1. So from this we can say lambda as 1. So D bar will be A bar plus B bar plus mu times 2B bar minus A bar, which I can write it as A to B minus C. A bar plus B bar into 1 plus 2 mu minus magnitude mod A square mod B square into mu square mod C square plus 2 times 1 plus 2 mu A dot B minus 2 mu into 1 plus mu B dot C minus 2 mu times a dots. Here perpendicular, so mod d square is 1 plus 2 mu whole square. Mod c also 1. Here I get mu square. B dot c, he given it as 1 minus 2 mu minus 4 mu square. Here it is 16 minus 13 mu square. 4 into 16 mu minus 14 mu plus 5. So it's a quadratic expression, minimum value formula 4 into 1342 into 5 is 260 minus 196 by 4a. It's 260 minus 196, 64, that is 16 by 13. So D will be 4 by root 13. This is the answer. Here distance between, whenever 3D is given, mostly it may be equilateral or isosceles. Let us find distance between the points AB. Let us say this consecutive, let us name consecutive vertices as ABC. 1 square plus 1 square root 6. BC will be 3 minus 4 whole square plus AC will be 2 square plus 1 square. All are equal. So triangle ABC is equilateral. So then what I can say is orthocenter is same as circumcenter. Therefore, distance between them is 0. Here, y is equal to, I'm just writing 1, adding and subtracting. I get 1 plus x minus step x. X minus step x is fractional part of x, which lie between 0 and 1. 1 plus fractional part of x, which implies 1 by 1 plus fractional part of x lies between this. Plus, here I should write minus 1, right? So now you add it here, add 1, half minus, here I think it is plus 1. So, which implies minus 1 by 1 plus fractional part of x greater than minus 1, adding 1. Here it is, so minimum is 0, maximum is 1. Right. Here once you multiply here minus, adding 1 half greater than 1 minus 1 by fractional part of x greater than 0. That means, so the range is 0 to half. Here a square plus Your mod of a bar minus b bar whole square is minus 2a bar dot b bar. So in the similar way, it is mod b square plus mod c square. So well, mod c square plus minus 2 times c dot a. They are all unit vectors. Here it is minus 2 times sigma a dot b is 9. So from here it is 2 times sigma a dot b is 6 minus 3. Once you consider a whole square, mod a square plus mod b square plus mod c square plus 2 sigma a dot b, 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 3, 0. Once magnitude is 0, little place is there. Okay. A bar plus b bar plus c bar becomes 0 bar. From this 2a, 5 times b plus c. B plus c is minus a plus 5a. B plus c is minus a. So 3a plus 4a, 7 times mod a. So answer is 7. Here it is 1 plus tan 1. So last one is tan 45. I am taking pairs such that so the sum of angles, like here, one familiar property, 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan B is 2, if A plus B is 45 degrees. So like this here, 45, so you have 44 pairs will come, and this one. Each pair, product of each pair is 244, 22 pairs you get. So 22 pairs means 2 power 22 into 2. So 2 power 23. Answer is equal to 23. Here in if the perimeter of locus, how to represent this? Where is I? So here it is I means 0 comma, it is a minus I. Here 0 1 is somewhere here. It is plus I. Argument is pi by 4. So that will be a major segment. Here it is 0 comma 0. Center of definitely it represent a circle because angles in the same segment are same. Here z plus I by z minus I will give you angle between them. So locus of all those points, here argument is fixed for all z means angles in the same segment. So it represent a curve. So he given this theta as pi by 4. Then angle it makes at the center. Once chord makes an angle pi by 4. At the center, at the vertex, it makes pi by 4. At the center, it makes pi by 2. So here it angle is pi by 2. This is radius, this is radius. AB square becomes, it's a right angle triangle, 2r square. So AB here is, this length is 1 unit, 2 square, which is 4. R square is 2. Now, for 2 pi angle, it covers 2 pi r circumference, but here it is a major segment. This minor segment covers pi by 2 angle. This is 3 pi by 2. For 3 pi by 2, so what is the perimeter it covers into 3 pi by 2? It cancel 3 by 2 pi r. So here the perimeter is S. What he is asking, 2s square by pi square. S square is 9 pi square r square by 4 into uh, 4 pi square, 2s square. S is 9 pi square r square. So pi square get cancelled. 9 by 2 r square. Already r square we got it as 2. So answer is 9. So here it is LCM of P comma Q. If you consider this number R, if you fix R as 2, like power of R as 2, power of R, Q here also power of R only I will take. R can be any number. If you take R square and R power 0, LCM will be asked. If R is 1, you have to take a 2, R is 2, R is sorry, 0, then also R you take it as 2 here, LCM will be R squared. So here 5 possibilities. Power of T, if you take it as 4, power of T, then here power of T will be 0, 1, 2, 3. You take 3, then 4, take 2, 4, take 1, 4, take 0, here you take 4. So again here 4 plus uh, 3, 2, 1, yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. 5 plus 4, 9 possibilities. Even power of S, if you take it as 2, so in place of this, you can take 0, 1, 2, so that like S power 0, S square, S power, S square, LCM of these two will be S square. S is 1. Here in another number, S must be 2. S is 0. So this is how we get LCM of PQ as this. Here also we have 5 possibilities. So total possible way of writing P comma Q is 5 into 9 into 5 to 25 possibilities. Here it is tan inverse, general term of this, n square plus mostly recurring telescopic series, this kind of problems. tan inverse 1 minus n square into 1 minus n square. Here you write tan inverse n into 1 plus n into 1 minus n into 1 plus. Now I'm splitting like this. Minus n into 1 minus n. So n get cancelled here. Here you write plus 1 minute. Uh, Here you take plus here, and this you write it as n square minus 1. So then n into n plus 1, n into this you write it as n minus 1. Then you'll get cancellation. After that, you get the required format. Here it is n into n plus 1, n into n minus 1. You take n in, this is of the form tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan inverse tan of A minus B. Here tan A is tan A is n into 1 plus n. Tan B is n into n minus 1, which is A minus B. We can write tan inverse n into n plus 1 minus tan inverse n into n minus. Here it's infinite terms. Where I'm utilizing this space. Put n as 1, tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 0, n as 2, tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2. Like this, all term get cancelled. Ending term remains. Right. So here I'm using some space. That is tan inverse as number of terms are infinity. We get pi by 2. So now that k value is pi by 2. So 11 k by 3 box function, which is pi by 2. So it is 66 k here is how much? Pi by 2. 33 by 6, 5 point something, which you get in, since it's an integral part function, you get value as 5. Here, area of this triangle formed by the tangent to the curve. Take log function, log a power n plus 1, which is n plus 1 log a, differentiating n by x plus 1 by y dy by dx. So dy by dx is that. So here, this is the curve. Triangle is formed, and at any point you draw a tangent. What is this area is constant. Let us take that point as x1 comma y1. Slope will be dy by dx at x1 comma y1. Here, equation of a tangent y minus y1 is minus n y1 by x1 into, so y minus y1 by y1 plus n, y by y1 plus x by x1 by n is n plus 1. It's anyhow constant. Area is half n plus 1 whole square x1 into y1 by n. So x1 comma this n plus 1 constant n constant. So in place of y1, x1, y1 is a point on this curve we get. So area becomes half constant times x1 n plus 1 by x bar. So which is proportional to x bar 1 minus n. As long as this 1 minus n is not 0, area changes. For area to be constant, 1 minus n should be 0, that is n equal to 1. Here in this problem, a square, let us find out 0 alpha 0 0, which you get to 0 0 0 null matrix. A plus I whole power 50, a power 50 plus 50 C1a, 50 C2 48, a power 48, 50 C49, 50 C50i. So a square is 0, higher powers will be 0. When 50C49 is 50C50 minus 49, which is 50. So I plus 50A. So A plus I power 50 minus 50A will be I plus 50A minus 50A, which is identity 1001, which he given it as the ABCD. Finally, he is asking A plus B plus C plus D. We get answer as 2. The average class of marks, so we don't know how many boys are there. Let boys strength be n, girls be m. So x1 to xn by n, 52. Y1 to ym by m is 42. The average of boys and girls, y1 plus ym by n plus m, which is 50 he given. From this it is 50 to n plus 40 to m is 50n plus 50m. 2n is equal to 8m. N is 4m. So percentage of boys will be n by n plus m into 100. So here n is 4m by 5m into 100. That is 80%. Your number of point of intersection. So y here is 2 sin x, and here minimum value will be, it's a quadratic, 4 into 5 into 3 minus 4 by, so 15, 16, 56 by 20, 2.8 you get here. Y maximum is 2. Here y minimum is 2.8. That means this is sin x curve. So other curve is 2.8 is minimum. They never intersect. So no solution. Number of solutions are 0. There. So domain of the function, I think function is missing. Let me check the function. F of x is equal to log sine of x minus 3 minus under root 16 minus x square. Log function is defined for x greater. That is sine of x minus 3 must be greater. So what I am doing is I am taking x minus 3 as y. F of y will be log y to the base 10, 16 minus y plus 3 whole square. It is log sine y. So sine y must be positive. So once you draw the graph like this, 0, pi, 2 pi, minus pi, minus 2 pi. Here it is 4 square minus y plus 3 whole square. So after simplification, 4 minus 3, 1 minus y, 4, 7, 7 minus y. So this is 4 minus 3, 1 minus y, 7 plus y. That means root function is defined greater, or y plus 7 into y minus 1 is y lies between minus 7 and 1. Now y lies between minus, here minus 2 pi is minus 6, minus 7 to 1 somewhere here. So possible values, integral values, y is 0, and here is one possible value. That is y equal to 1. Here where you get between minus 2 pi, this is, so he is asking integer between minus 6 and minus 3. You have 3.14, right? 6.25. Y equal to minus 4 comma minus 5. So totally there are 4 solutions, integral solutions. Here it is for a given circle whose radius is r. Tangents are drawn from the point. What he is asking is length of this chord of contact. Given one relation, r square into pa square is 1 by 60. The center here is radius. Pa square plus pr square is pc square by r square pa square is 1 by 16. PC by R PA will be 1 by 4. 4 PC is RP. To get PAB length, it is enough to find AL. You take triangle PCA. If you find its area half PC into PL, if you join this C and B, find its area PC into R, 1 minute, which is equal to half PA. If you take this as a base, height will be R. Mm, Similarly, what he given PC is equal to RPA, right? Half PA into R equal to half PC into PL, AL. So get cancelled. R into PA is 4 into PC, which is PC into AL. AL here is 4. AB is twice the length. Its length is 8.